Hi, I'm Lauren and I invite you to join me for my next Revitalise Women's Wellbeing Retreat. This weekend is an amazing opportunity for you to escape the grind of your day-to-day life, come and connect in person with me and a small group of like-minded ladies and discover how it feels to just have a whole weekend with no outside pressures or demands, just to take time for you. You'll have time to reflect. I'll be sharing some inspirational, educational sessions with you. I'll be doing live cooking demonstrations. We will enjoy some delicious, nutritious food. You'll be able to enjoy the beautiful environment, the accommodation and the surrounds, and be able to spend time just connecting and relaxing together with the other ladies. My vision with this weekend retreat is to help you thrive, to be able to reduce stress, to restore calm, to help you to be able to live your best life.
Hi, I'm Karen, and before this retreat I was tired, I was exhausted. I had been 3 weeks overseas working, and it was just an amazing opportunity to come and be able to take time for me in a busy life and a busy world, just taking those 2.5 days just to focus on me, to have some reflection time, to be able to meet some amazing women and be able to learn some incredible ideas and strategies that will set me up for success for the rest of the year and even the rest of my life.
Before the retreat, I was feeling quite worn out, unmotivated, a little bit lost in myself, and how I could be the fantastic person that I am. So after the retreat and the end of this weekend, I know that truly to be able to give and inspire people is to fill my bucket first and look after me, and that I'm number one, and then that everything else will come from that.
Before the retreat, I was feeling a bit overwhelmed, and I just needed to be able to concentrate on me. So I'd been watching Lauren and thought, yes, this is what I need to do. So I must admit, I booked myself and I paid for it, and I was feeling guilty, but I just knew I had to do it. Something was telling me, an inner voice was telling me I needed to come and do it. So, and I'm so glad I did. Yeah.
Before I came on the retreat, I was feeling quite nervous and a bit weary about what the weekend was going to be like. I'd been going through a tough time at my work and felt quite undermined and not very sure of myself anymore, which was a big change from how I normally am. And from this weekend of meeting some amazing, wonderful, caring and supportive woman, I know that I am significant now, and I am a strong and brave person, and I thank you.
Before the retreat, I was feeling quite overwhelmed, and just that I needed some time out for myself. After the retreat, I'm feeling really motivated, inspired, and I can't think of the word. I just had it in my head. It's okay. I'm empowered.
Beautiful soaking in the spa, some chatting with other women, some realising that I'm not alone with some of the issues that I have, and yes, some decluttering of my mind.
I've met some truly amazing women. So it's a learning from Lauren, but it's also the women that have come and shared. Yeah.
Learning how to breathe properly and relax. And all the time we were reminded of it, which is great. And the little exercise snippets and the lovely food and just the lovely personalities, and Lauren's amazing and Vicky amazing, people to help and share their stories, and it was a really safe environment as well. Yeah,
Fantastic.
I loved it. It was great. I really recommend it. Yeah.
My key takeaway from the retreat would be that I'm perfect with my imperfections. So I am okay, I am enough, I am worthy. So really big things.
If you're thinking of coming on the retreat, do it. The reason being that you may get out what you wanted, or you may get out a whole lot more. Come and find out.
I was umming and ahhing about coming to the retreat, but I would say come. Just jump yourself out of that comfort zone, come and meet some amazing women and share their journeys with them as well. Be vulnerable, love yourself, and learn to accept you for who you are.
Joined some time with Lauren. It was just incredible, just that ability to be able to spend time reflecting, thinking and learning. It's for you.
If you are thinking about doing the retreat, go ahead and do it, because money, time, getting here are all issues. They don't have to be, because you've got to put yourself first.
It's relationships that you make here, and it's awesome. Yeah, go for it. It's the first retreat I've ever done. Didn't know what to expect. I would say go for it. No hesitations. Love it. Put the money aside. Do it.
So if you'd love to have less stress, to have more joy, to really enjoy life more, then I invite you to join me for this Revitalise Women's Wellbeing Retreat weekend. If you're interested, just head over to laurenparsonswellbeing.com and click on retreats, and I'll look forward to seeing you there.